Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this video we are creating a little something healthy using just fresh fruit and a sugar-free banana cake. For the icing we have coconut oil, 100% Canadian maple syrup, pinch of salt, vanilla extract and cacao powder. Blend it all together with a whisk. I have the recipe listed for you guys in the description box below this video. There are two cakes being decorated here, so I have my banana bread recipe. Also will be left in the description box below and the eye icon up top, and then fill in with that icing. This particular design I actually did in a live stream over on Patreon, went for about a good 15 or so minutes as I walked you guys through the whole process, and this is just a little snippet breakdown for YouTube. If you'd like to get involved in the live streams, you're welcome to check out our Patreon page listed in the description box below. This particular icing can be melted back down to a liquid and used as a drip. It is a beautiful, very versatile frosting and is plant-based for all our vegan friends. Bring that top edge to the middle and then decorate the top. I've used a 1M tip and I've just piped stars all the way out and in to the center. So this pipes well. It's really great for an outside and inside frosting and filling, and great for a drip as well. Basically it's ganache, but it's just not super heat resistant. Gotta let you guys know, not great in hot weather. For the second cake design, we're going to be following the same steps, popping it into the fridge once you've iced it, and in the meantime we'll cut out our fruit decorations. For the decorations, you'll need cookie cutters of your choice. I've chosen a star shape here, and some really fleshy fruit. So mangoes, dragon fruits work really well, melons, anything you think would look nice and you can cut basically. Apply it to your cake with a little bit more of that frosting to help stick it on. I've just done a line of stars at the bottom with the red dragon fruit and the white dragon fruit. I've piped a ring at the very top with a 6B piping tip, and this is what's going to keep all of my fruit in check and in the center of my cake. You could add little stars into these dollops. I've also added on some strawberries for extra color, and then filled the center with star cut kiwi fruits and some more of those red dragon fruit stars. For the very middle, I've gone in with nature's natural edible pearls, our blueberries, and I've stuck it in between the stars at the base as well. Add on some gold leaf if you like for a little extra pizzazz, and a cake topper. We do sell our cake toppers on our website rosiesdessertspot.com if you like a custom cake topper, and that's it. Cake is complete. I really hope you guys give this a try. If you do like the recipe, please let me know. I'd love to hear your feedback on the frosting and also my delicious banana bread sugar-free cake. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you again in the next one. Bye for now.